Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus with meat. We'll guide you through creating a truly satisfying dish, perfect for any occasion. You'll learn to combine creamy hummus with a savory, spiced meat topping. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this flavorful and hearty meal. It's a wonderful way to enjoy a classic dish with an exciting twist. To start, you'll need cooked chickpeas, tahini, fresh lemon juice, and a few cloves of garlic for the hummus base. For the flavorful meat topping, choose about 1 pound of ground lamb or beef, a medium onion, and a blend of aromatic spices. Don't forget some fresh parsley for a vibrant garnish at the end. First, combine your cooked chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic in a food processor. Blend until smooth, gradually adding a few tablespoons of cold water to achieve a wonderfully creamy consistency. Season the hummus generously with salt and a pinch of ground cumin to enhance its rich flavor. Taste and adjust as needed for perfection. Next, brown your ground meat with chopped onions in a pan until cooked through. Drain any excess fat, then stir in your chosen spices, such as cinnamon, allspice, and a pinch of black pepper. Simmer the mixture for about 10 minutes until the flavors meld beautifully. Finally, spread the creamy hummus onto a plate, spoon the warm meat topping over it, and garnish with fresh parsley.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.